Are you looking for the best budget laptops? Budget laptops remain a critical segment for students, remote workers, and casual users who value portability and price over flagship specs. In this review, I evaluate 5 compact, value-oriented systems spanning Chromebooks and Windows laptops within a $166 to $314.99 price range. My testing process combines objective benchmark.
Product number 1. HP 14 Laptop Overview. This Windows-based HP 14 offers a slim, portable chassis with a basic Celeron N4020 CPU, 4 GB RAM, and 64 GB storage. It's designed for essential productivity, light browsing, and education tasks with a familiar Windows 11 home environment and an ultra-portable footprint. The 14-inch HD panel and acclaimed 4K graphics capability are notable mentions, though the GPU is Intel UHD integrated and paired with modest RAM, which constrains texture-heavy tasks. The 1 year of Microsoft 365 inclusion adds ongoing value for students and light professionals seeking productivity tools out of the box. Performance-wise, the N4020 in this configuration is optimized for efficiency rather than speed. Expect snappy wake times and smooth document editing, but anticipate slower web tab loading and multitasking with more than a few taps. The 64 GB eMMC storage will quickly feel constrained once multiple apps or large media files are involved. Consider cloud storage or external drives for expansion. The device excels at portability and battery life, making it ideal for campus use or as a secondary travel laptop.
Product number 2. Acer Aspire 3 A315-24P-R7VH Slim. Overview. The Acer Aspire 3 offers a 15.6-inch Full HD display, Ryzen 3 7320U with Radeon graphics, and a premium-looking chassis for a budget Windows laptop. It ships with 8 GB of fast LPDDR5 memory and a 12/8 GB NVMe SSD, which collectively improve multitasking and boot times compared to lower-end Chromebooks and base Windows configurations. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 and a backlit keyboard are practical touches for productivity on the go. Overall, this model targets users who want a larger screen and more capable CPU within the budget tier. Performance-wise, the Ryzen 3 7320U provides solid everyday performance for web tasks, office apps, and media consumption. The 8 GB RAM helps manage multiple tabs and applications, while the NVMe storage speeds contribute to snappy boot and app launch times. The 15.6-inch display with 1920 by 1080 resolution offers better readability and media experience than smaller budget devices. This
Product number 3. HP Chromebook 14 Laptop. Overview. This HP Chromebook emphasizes long battery life, a light Chrome OS experience, and a 14-inch HD display in a compact form. The N40-120 CPU paired with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB eMMC storage keeps price and power consumption very low, while Chrome OS provides fast wake times and simple maintenance. The 14-hour claimed battery life and 4K graphics capability are highlighted selling points, though 4K graphics here refer to the integrated GPU's capability rather than native 4K output on this display. The system is optimized for cloud-based workflows and Android apps from the Play Store. Performance-wise, Chrome OS thrives with minimal local storage and reliance on cloud services. The 4 GB RAM is adequate for everyday browsing, docs, and streaming, but may become limiting with many Chrome extensions or multitasking across multiple tabs. The 64 GB eMMC storage is modest. Cloud storage or SD expansion can alleviate space constraints. The HD display is serviceable for coursework and media, while the long battery life and rapid charging support.
Product number 4. Lenovo IdeaPad 3i Chromebook. Overview. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3i Chromebook increases RAM to 8 GB, improving multitasking headroom while maintaining Chrome OS for a familiar, streamlined experience. The 15.6-inch FHD display offers a more comfortable viewing area, and 64 GB eMMC storage keeps cost in check. It targets users who want better RAM capacity without leaving the Chrome OS ecosystem,
making it a versatile option for students and light professionals who value screen real estate and a straightforward user experience. Performance-wise, the N4500 is a modest upgrade over the N4120, delivering smoother app switching and more responsive multitasking within Chrome OS and Android apps. The 8GB RAM helps with opening more browser tabs and running multiple web apps. The display quality and the full HD panel enhance productivity and media consumption. Battery life remains strong, around the 10-hour mark, with Chrome OS efficiency helping to maximize uptime. The chassis weight of about 5.5 pounds is on the heavier side for a 15.6-inch Chromebook, but
Product number 5. SGIN 15.6-inch Laptop Computer Overview. The SGIN Y101 is a feature-rich budget Windows laptop that leans into higher RAM and substantial SSD capacity for robust productivity within the price band. The Core i3-1010YO offers solid multi-core performance for everyday tasks, while 16 GB of RAM and a 1TB SSD deliver ample headroom for multitasking, document creation, and media libraries. A backlit keyboard and a 53.2 WH battery add practical value for longer sessions and comfortable typing in low-light environments. This model positions itself as a serious workhorse among budget Windows laptops. Performance-wise, the 16 GB RAM and 1TB SSD create a responsive system for typical workloads, including office suites, light photo/video editing, and programming basics. The 15.6-inch screen and 180-degree hinge enable collaborative work and easy screen sharing. Battery life, while solid, will